Hey there, I'm reviewing the #1 brand Thai iced milk green tea. This tea is an absolute delight for anyone who loves authentic Thai beverages. The vibrant green tea flavor is rich and smooth, with just the right balance of sweetness and creamy texture when made as a traditional Thai iced milk tea. The 200 grams pack is perfect for making multiple servings at home, and it's easy to adjust the sweetness level to your liking. The aroma is amazing, earthy and fragrant, just like the green tea you'd find at a street vendor in Thailand. I love that it can be enjoyed both hot and cold. However, my favorite is the iced version with a splash of condensed milk for that classic Thai taste. Whether you're a fan of Thai tea or just looking to try something new, this green tea is a fantastic choice. It's simple to prepare and brings the authentic taste of Thailand right into your kitchen. Highly recommend it for tea lovers and anyone looking to recreate the experience of Thai iced tea at home.